Hello everyone and welcome to Violinco's channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the error code 0xc0000005 on your Windows computer. And now let's get started. If you are encountering the error code 0xc00005 on your Windows computer, you are not alone. This common issue can be frustrating, but thankfully, there are several effective solutions to resolve it. We will walk through these steps one by one, ensuring you can get your system back to normal. Our first recommended solution is to perform a system file checker scan. This process checks for and repairs corrupted system files that might be causing the error. To begin, search for Command Prompt in your Windows search bar. Once it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator from the right-hand pane. This will open an elevated command prompt window. In this window, carefully type the command sfc/scannow and then press Enter. This command will initiate the scan. The next step involves running the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Faulty RAM can often lead to various system errors, including the one you are experiencing. To access this tool, press the Windows key and the R button simultaneously on your keyboard. This will open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command mdsegd and press Enter. You will then be prompted to restart your computer to check for problems. Select Restart Now and check for problems. Finally, a crucial step to resolve error code 0xc00005 is to update all your device drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause compatibility issues. To do this, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. Navigate to the Windows Update tab. On the left-hand side of the list, select Advanced Options. Here, you will find an option for optional updates. Click on it, and then install all available driver updates. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.